Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.